it was bugging me too much. I couldn't bear to leave the toilet broken. And since I don't edit my videos, I don't sit in front of a computer. I lifted off the lid and I bent this arm so it can no longer sit on top of the fill tube. And then I went behind here and luckily the valve, it's dripping. Wonderful. Yep. If you close the valve a bit, it reduces the volume. But the problem is it's leaking. So I thought I'd help the fill valve modulate by not going, but you can't, because I need to bring an adjustable wrench upstairs and it ain't happening, and tighten the packing nut on the valve. So my buddy Jack PM would appreciate it, because he's a fellow landlord. Water leaking around the stems. Needs a new O-ring on these, what they claim to be maintenance-free ceramic cartridges, but they have an O-ring and the O-ring leaks. So I showed you everything around here. The ceramic tile, the mirror, me. I look like a mountain man with my beard. And the carpet's a little... could use a little cleaning. Spot cleaning just isn't working. It's got a couch that's kind of sagging like an old horse. This is kind of interesting. It's got an electrical outlet in the partition wall. And the blue paint, and it's just a little worn out, dark red carpet. Nice seam. Whoever did the seam did a good job. All right, that's my second video. Got my cash, got my gloves, don't get my hands dirty, and I'm going to take a pizza menu. And what I did take is a pen because they're colorful. And what I did do is leave the Finsky because the girl is under